guys! Welcome back to my channel, and finally an updated makeup routine. This is my fresh everyday look. So if you guys are interested to know more about it, please continue watching. And pasensya na kayo, medyo napahaba. Ang dami kong dinaldal sa video na to. And also like my favorites, kasi hindi na ako nakakagawa ng favorites video. Dito din nabanggit ko siya. So if you guys are interested to know more, please continue watching this video and let me know your thoughts about it. So for the first step, I'll be using this Luxe Organics Hydro Firming Mist to just make sure that my face is moisturized before I apply my sunscreen. Pinatry ito sa akin ni Beshi Anna and sobrang love ko siya. So this one, I just mist it all over my face. Usually mga 6 sprays, ganyan. So for the next product is my sunscreen. This is the Cica Essence Sun. This is my favorite sunscreen, of course. It's what BTS uses and pinopromote nila. Pero at the same time, it's really light. And para ka na talagang nag-skincare because it really has that feel of an essence. Sobrang favorite ko to and it smells so good. And the next is my favorite foundation. Pinabili ko pa to kay Tita Arlene sa Korea. This is the Etude House Double Lasting Serum Foundation. Ayan siya. This is how it looks like. I'm using the shade N05. And of course, my ever-favorite beauty tool for 2019 is all covered by AC na sponge. This is the black one. Magulo yung kilay ko pala because I haven't had it threaded yet. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Para din siyang serum talaga. So, as you can see, just blend it in. Oh! Sobrang ganda nito, as in nakaka-glass skin siya. Very natural. Dewy. If you want that glass skin look, I highly recommend this one. Hindi nga lang siya available dito sa Philippines, but siguro sa Shopee naman meron, or yun nga, sa Korea. Somehow may coverage naman to. So, ayan o. Diba? Nawala yung redness. This is an amazing foundation. Bestseller nila yung first nito, yung double lasting. So, they made the lighter version. Yun, sobrang daming may favorite na yun. As in, parang 5 years ago pa ba yun? Sobrang tagal na ng foundation na yun. So, they released a lighter version of that one in a serum form. And this is how it looks like on my skin. So, that's it for the foundation. Next, I'll be using my all-time favorite concealer. This is from the Saem. Ayan siya. I'm using the shade number 2. Pwede din yung 1 and 2 i-mix if you want to like highlight other parts of your face. Ito actually okay na siya, pero pwede mo din siyang iset with the powder. But if you want to like conceal, lalo na ako, alam niyo naman gaano ka dark ang aking under eye circles, I usually use this and I'm ready to go. Sobrang favorite. You can use your finger or yun nga, yung sponge for a fuller coverage. So zoom lang natin. Ayan, as you can see, it's really full coverage. And hindi din siya annoying sa face. It's not heavy. Everything that I use is really lightweight. So that is it for the base. And then next, we'll be using my favorite brow products you guys have been asking din lagi sa aking IG live or sa IG stories. I use yung Benefit. I know these are expensive brow products. Dati din hindi ko makita like yung reason kung ba't ako bibili ng mahal. But then, meron kasi sila usually yung holiday na mga sets. And then, sobrang mura niya. You get like 6 full-size ata na products yun for only 3,000 or 4,000 pesos. And affordable na yun kasi usually isang product na full-size is around 1.5 to 1.8 ata. I'm not sure, pero medyo mahal siya. So, yun nga, pagka naglalabas sila ng sets, that's what I get. And yun yung binili ng ate ko sa akin sa Sephora. So, these are what I'm using. The Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Amazing brow products. Nung na-try ko siya, doon ko lang nakita yung worthy ng kanyang hype. And then the Gimme Brow. I'm using number 2, this one, and then 3 dito sa Goof Proof. Ito yung weakness ko pag nag-film ng tutorial. Yung brows. Ang hirap mag-film ng brows. I-outline ko lang, sinusundan ko lang yung brows ko. Ang ganda na itong brow pencil cause it really mimics the hair. And sobrang favorite ko yung spoolie nito. As you can see, sobrang favorite ko yung spoolie. Kaya favorite ko talaga din yung mga brow products nila. And then I use this one, number 2, since light ang aking hair. Hindi lang siya halata dito na light kasi binabad ko siya kanina sa purple shampoo because it's brassy already. So, ayan guys, ganyan lang. Ayan o, ang dami ng sobra dito kaya medyo makapal siyang tignan. Next, I'll be using this favorite from Vice Cosmetics. Pasensya na kayo if hindi ko pa siya nagagawa ng review. Let me know if you still are interested. But this is the Aura Duo Planet Beauty. Ito si Tata and then si Van. This is what I will be using for my blush. Ayan. Hindi ako mahilig sa blush, pero yun nga, nung tinuruan ako ni Paul, mag-blush daw ako and then I use a big or fluffy brush to blend it in. Natuwa na ako mag-blush everyday. So, ganyan siya. This is a pinky na, blush. Nakikita ba? Ayan o. Very blendable tong blush. And, ang ganda ng brush. Basta gamit kayo ng makapal na brush. Ayan guys, oh. It's so pretty. Ang laki pala talaga ng difference with the blush. You just really blend it. May aeroplano na naman. Go over the nose. Sobrang sulit nitong mga duos na to. I love the highlighter, but most of the time I use this ultimate favorite from Kora Organics, which I always share sa aking Instagram and sa mga photos ko. This is the Rose Quartz Luminizer. It's what I always use dito sa aking cheekbones, and pwede naman siyang iset with the highlighter, but I always go for like yung mga liquids or mga creams. Ayan guys, so diba? Wow! Look at that. It's a creamy texture. It looks like this. Ganyan siya guys. I'll swatch it for you. Ayan. Wow. Look at that. Sobrang ganda talaga. This is the skincare line of Miranda Kerr. So, sobrang ganda niya. It's organic. You can get it sa Freya, meron pa siya. And also, soon, dito sa Philippines, more products. So, watch out for that. I-share ko din sa aking, Instagram. Pagka nalaman ko na yung update about it. Pero ito, sobrang ganda talaga. As in, like, the best luminizer or highlighter for me. It's so glowy. You guys ask what makes my skin or yung makeup look ko na glowy. Ito siya. And then, I'm almost done. Sa powder na lang. Tama ba? And then sa lips. Yes. So now we will be setting with my favorite powder. This is the Wet n Wild. Tawag dito, Pressed Powder Photofocus. I use the shade Neutral Buff. So this is what I usually use to set kasi it's very lightweight and it makes my skin glowy as well. Hindi nawawala yung pagka-glow ng aking makeup. Yung asa ko yun. Actually, tinatamad na ako mag-mascara kasi hindi ako nag-mascara everyday. I just don't have my lash extensions right now. If I want to like go a bit extra para lang lumaki yung mata ko, I use the Total Temptation, my ever favorite drugstore mascara from Maybelline. This is the best. Pero ngayon, parang hindi ko siya trip gamitin. Ayan. Kasi may i-film pa ako na isang video later. Hindi ko bet ngayon mag-mascara. Pero, this is what I use. And then, my Clio eyeliner. This is the waterproof pen liner Kill Brown. Favorite as well. Ito. Pwede ko pala itong i-apply. Nalimot kung ano yun kanina. This is what I usually use. Brown eyeliners lang for everyday. Kasi nga, maliit yung mata ko. So, ganyan lang. Diba? Para lang medyo lumaki yung mata ko ng onte. And I just tight line it as in closest to the lash line as much as possible. Then, lastly, for the lips, I have two favorites from Clio as well. Sobrang K-beauty pala nitong ano ko. Yung mga favorites ko talaga. This is the Mad Velvet in the shade Butternut. And then, itong Ink Velvet nila, Goddess Beige. I have yet to do a video about this. Try ko, sana, magawa ko for IG. So, I use it as a base. Ayan. This is one of the best nila na lip tints. It's very light and ang ganda niya for gradient. See? Really pigmented, guys. Kailangan nyo itong bilhin. Sobrang ganda nito. I have all the shades. Let me know if you want a review about it. And then ito, I use it at the center. If I want like, para mas deep lang yung color. Mas ano lang siya ng ante. Magandang combination yung dalawa if you blend it. So that is it for my simple, fresh makeup look. And then I finish it off with the mist, of course, because I always love the dewy effect. So, ganyan lang siya. And then, you let it dry. Kitang-kita niyo yung pagka-dewy niya. Hindi din naman nasisira yung makeup ko dito, pero kailangan mo lang talaga siyang patuyuin. So, na-realize ko pala para mas makita sa thumbnail at sa video na to. Sige, mag-apply na ako ng mascara. Pero naiwan ko sa taas ang aking favorite Shumura lash curler. Yun kasi talaga yung nagpapahaba dito sa aking lashes. The best. Guys, kahit ilan na yung iiyak nyo, promise. Hindi talaga siya magsusmudge at all. Mahirap lang siyang tanggalin if hindi kayo mag-oil or waterproof na remover. So, make sure you have one. Siya. Kita nyo sa gilid. See? So nice. So that is it, guys. This is the look. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have other requests as well, and I will see you on my next videos. Bye, guys!